Paano mo ginawa yan? How did you do that? Gawin natin ng mas madalas. Let's do it more often. Pwede ko na bang gawin yan? Can I do it now? Sa tingin mo, gusto nila ang isa't isa? Do you think they like each other? Malinaw ba ang sinabi ko? Is what I said clear? Alam mo ba ang lahat? Do you know everything? Alam mo ba ang dahilan? Do you know the reason? Gusto mo bang maging mayaman? Do you want to be rich? Anong gusto mong maging? What do you want to be? Gusto kong maging teacher. I want to be a teacher. Kailangan ko ng tulong mo. I need your help. Pwede ba tayong mag-usap ng tayo lang? Can we talk just two of us? Nasaan ka ba kagabi? Where were you last night? Sa tingin mo, pangit ako? Do you think I'm ugly? Kailangan mo ba ako? Do you need me? Sobrang kailangan kita ngayon. I need you so much right now. Alam mo ba lahat? Do you know everything? Mukhang gagana ito. It seems like this will work. Huwag mong bibitawan ang pangarap mo. Don't let go of your dream. Kung maibabalik ko lang sana ang panahon, if I only could turn back time. Sana wag mo akong kalimutan. I hope you won't forget me. Paano mo ginawa yan? How did you make it? Kailan mo binili yan? When did you buy that? Bakit siya tumakas? Why did he run away? Bakit niya ginawa yon? Why did he do that? Bakit nangyari ito? Why did this happen? Sana ginawa mo na lang kung ano ang tama. I wish you just did what was right. Anong ginawa mo ngayong araw? What did you do today? Kumain ka ba ng gulay? Did you eat vegetables? Parati ba itong mangyari? Does this always happen?